In this video, let's talk about U-Bright bicolor LED video light designed by Ulanzi. As you can see, judging from the package, it was printed with a colorful design. So this is actually a high-end LED light designed by Ulanzi. So let's unbox that and see what's inside the box. I have already did that. Here is the main body of the U-Bright LED video light. And we also have 6 more color charts that help you generate an RGB light effect. Actually, you can combine multiple color charts to actually produce some even more colorful light. It is almost the same dimension compared with the VR49. As you can see, the length and the width is exactly the same, but the thickness is much thicker compared with the VR49. That is the reason why in this tiny little body it has 3000 milliamp lithium battery life, and it has a longer battery life and much more powerful brightness delivery to your content. The name Ulanzi U-Bright, some heat dissipation, heat sink holes, a 1/4" mount with a cold shoe mount. Altogether, we have 3 more cold shoe mounts for more possibilities in your vlogging design. Back of the panel, you can see there are some buttons. Long press that, we're gonna open this light, increase the brightness, lower down the brightness. Altogether, we have 5 levels of control. And for the color chart, we also have 5 levels from the warm color to the cold color, like this, as you can see that, and with different lightness, brightness. This one is a battery button. If you press the battery button, you're gonna see the remain battery life in the brightness area. So this 5 LED light will works as the battery indication for your LED light. So just short press that, you can see now we have 16% remain battery life, and after a few seconds it will switch back to the normal brightness indication. Long press the power button to power it off. On front panel, we can see this is actually a very good diffuser design with 4 magnetic pins that has worked together with these 4 magnetic pins that can stick together with ease. This diffuser works pretty well, and inside that we have altogether 36 bicolor LED light. And if we work together with this color chart, now we're gonna have even more color variations, and with a maximum of 7.5 watts output. So you can actually produce many of the light as you want with a different combination with the different brightness, different color temperature, and different color paper right inside this diffuser. So that will make your vlogging light much more beautiful. Very light, very solid, 3000 milliamp inside this lithium battery life. So I love this U-Bright LED light very much, and I think this is definitely a high-end product in the Ulanzi product line about bicolor LED video light. And I highly recommend you can try on your own to make your vlogging, to make your light have more possibilities, to make your light more beautiful. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. More to come in the future. Until next time, bye.